Emochi AI Chat. So here is the app. It's one of the alternatives to character AI. Step into unique AI chat adventure, anime, manga, and more. Discover a world of creative AI chat companions. Emochi lets you chat about your favorite topics, anime, manga, games, and more while creating and customizing unique AI characters. Build compelling personas, explore fascinating backstories, and capture unforgettable moments with visually stunning AI generated imagery. So, endless conversation possibilities, create unique AI personas, immersive character backstories, visual storytelling, anime inspired AI chat animation, interactive roleplay, and adventures. So, what is good for? It's good for anime, manga, and game enthusiasts, creative singers, imaginative storytellers, technology lovers. So, that's the app. 10 million plus AI characters, 50 art styles, lifelike AI voices. So, quite popular app recently. And then, yeah, they just see the subscription price, which you can get $130 per year. Then there is some kind of discount. You can get $9 per month. But then, yeah, here is how the free version looks like. You can still chat, but it's kind of unlimited. So then, yeah, here you just have the chat. Then you can just message it. Very long messages. So you can set up like model settings. There are some free models, and then there are paid models which you see some models have best role play, some models have more logical task, higher IQ, and things like that. And but with these paid models you only can send like 10 messages. And then here you can say reset, continue, report. Then you can just have some tips, but then you need to upgrade. Autoplay voice, background setting, chat history. So yeah, and then you have chats. A lot of bots are messaging you, and then there are stars. So you can invite friends to get stars. So you can just do that. So your invite code. So feel free to use my invitation code. So this is to get more free stars. You can also just watch an ad in here. Then there is your support. Support is just redirecting you to their Discord chat. And what else is here? So feedback, you can just enter some feedback. Or you can just see it in here just like that. And then there are settings, feature request. You can see, yeah, that's basically the idea. And yeah, so something like that, that's the app. And then of course you can create your character either in quick mode or expert mode. So then you just create your character and then you can just start it like that in here. So that's basically what it is in here. And yeah, just that's what it is. That's the app. Try it out.